जस्ट रिटर्निंग फ्रॉम द जिम एंड मैंने सोचा कि क्योंकि हमारे पास थोड़ा सा रास्ता है एटलीस्ट 5 मिनट्स, लेट्स रिकॉर्ड अ क्विक वीडियो. सो अभी क्या हुआ कि past few days I had been very active at gymming and like lifestyle was very bad. I was not groomed. A lot of bad things were happening. And just like everyone else, I was blaming the circumstances for it. I was like, यार सही time नहीं है, सही है नहीं है, सही वो नहीं है. Right now I'm coming back from gym, as you can see, थोड़ा सा groceries भी ले आया मैं. So why did this change come along all of a sudden? So it's a quite interesting thing, and it again points to the same thing here. You have to take responsibility for your life and things are at your hand at the end of the day. So what ended up happening was I moved in with a few of my guys, and they are also very serious people, like, you know, absolute killers, absolute fucking, you know, amazing people in terms of achieving goals and everything. But the thing is कि they have different priorities compared to me. And when we moved in, हम सबने सोचा था कि जिम करेंगे, वर्कआउट करेंगे and everything, and डाइट रखेंगे on point. But वही है कि अब again, I would not blame them for it. It's just that they are not as disciplined as I am, because I have been doing this for years, like workout, you know, fitness और अपनी खाना वाना खुद मैनेज करना. But they are not as you can say trained for that. So I was disciplined and trained in that. So what happened is कि in an attempt to adjust with them, so just so that they have the good habit, I ended up kind of sacrificing my habits so that they could gain out of it. And वही हो रहा था कि I was just trying to adjust to them, जिसका रिजल्ट हुआ कि over 1 month or 2 months, I think एक महीना 1.5 महीना ऐसा कुछ रहा. I kind of tried to adjust with them and eventually मेरा खुद का रूटीन खराब हो गया. Until अभी पिछले दिनों I just made a decision कि भाई कब तक, right? So it might sound weird, but like पहले we had decided कि we had 3 rooms in our house. One of the room we had decided to give for like, you know, make a proper office, and दूसरे room में we would share the room and just sleep together. ठीक है, and I was fine with that. But उसकी वजह से बहुत छोटा सा decision है, but उसकी वजह से क्या हो रहा था कि like I was not able to sleep on time because my roommate would wake up till late at night because उसका flow ही रात को hit होता था. And I was just kind of trying to adhere to it, because if you think about it, that seems like the nice thing to do. Until recently, I just decided कि भाई मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, and I decided to just sleep in the office. So currently I'm sleeping in the office, but I'm telling you, it just changed everything, because अब I have 100% control over what time I sleep. I have 100% control over what time I wake up, what time I work. And because of that, इतनी छोटी सी चीज़ की वजह से I was able to restart my gymming, workouts वगैरह दोबारा start हो पाए, ये सब वो सब. The lesson being, guys, होता पता है क्या कि we have our friends and we think that our friends might have our best interest at their heart, but the thing is everyone works for their best interest. And again, I'm like, these are super cool dudes, these are awesome people, right? They are really motivated, they have like, you know, good shit going on in their life and everything, but their priorities may not be the same as me, right? For me, like, ऐसा समझ लो कि fitness is as important as anything else, because if I don't work out, I don't perform good in my life either. मेरे साथ it's just like with me, but that's not the case with them. With them it's a different thing. So the point being, guys, we tended to just not give up on friendships. We just tend to adhere and adjust to the friendships just so that people around us can feel better. But if you think about it, that's not in your best self-interest, right? So you have to remember this thing कि everyone works in their own best interest, and you as well should work only on your best interest, not for anyone else. And that is kind of the realization that dawned on me, and I just realized कि मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ. And as I said, as soon as I decided to follow my own path, I all of a sudden started doing good. And वही यार, I'm feeling great again. सुबह उठा हूँ, meditation करी है, like, you know, everything is on point. And diet अच्छी है, I fucking feel great. I feel properly energetic. And पिछले दिनों में बिल्कुल भी नहीं था. तो and it's also surprising कि जब ये नहीं हो रहा होता ना, जब चीज़ें अच्छी नहीं जा रही होती, तो you think regardless of what happens, फिर से अच्छी जाएंगे ही नहीं. So yeah, that's just your mind playing tricks on you, because यही होता है कि यार what we are feeling, we tend to feel that this is probably permanent, but you have to remember feelings are always temporary. Right now you're feeling this, some like a little while later you'll feel different. So yeah, this is kind of what I wanted to talk about, guys. And the lesson being, take control of your life, because it is in your control. At the end of the day, you cannot blame anyone else for not performing good. You're not having a successful life, all of those things, right? So focus on yourself, work in your best interest, because as I said, everyone just focuses on themselves. Everyone is just inclined towards their betterment, right? At the end, everyone just thinks in their best interest, not yours. So I hope it shed some light on it. And yeah, see you in the next one.
That was crazy, right? But do you know what's crazier? Click this playlist right here and you will see in real life hidden camera footage of me approaching and attracting beautiful women in no time. I'll also be breaking down what I said to them, how I got them attracted in minute details. So don't delay, guys. Click the playlist right now, and I'll see you on the other side.